Hello, my desktop publishing students. I opened up the file called Assignment 63, that little quilt store. It was 63 INCST-MT2, but you can find that one. All right, and so it says on the chart, change the data range. Okay, so here we are on the chart. It's already been completed for us. So right click, and we want to go to select data, and I'm going to press the delete the range, and we want to select B10 to C16. B10 to C16. That's correct. All right, so say OK. All right, so now we have one set of bars to look at versus 3. It says delete the legend, so we're going to click on the legend and delete it. And then it tells us to add a texture fill of your choice for the chart area. Okay, so the chart area, right click, format chart area, and we want to go to fill, and it said a texture, so picture a texture, and go to texture and choose one that you want. I don't know here. Well, maybe that kind of looks quilty. We'll go with that one. All right, although that's really quite busy. I don't think that's a very good one. So I'll go with that pink one. Okay, so we've got a background there, and it said add a gradient fill for the plot area. So here's the plot area. So let's go to gradient fill, and that one doesn't go with my background, so I'm just going to go with a plain. Let's see, what about blue? Yeah, that'll work. All right, and then it says add 3 colors of your choice. All right, well, you know how to do that. Here, get rid of 1, 3 colors of our choice. Well, I'll change this color and I'll put yellow in it. And we got the blue, and then maybe I'll put green here. All right, and then we'll change the angle a little bit. There, that's okay, and we can blend it a little bit more here, or however you want. Okay, so that's the gradient, and then format the data series with a pattern fill of your choice. Okay, so here's our data series, pattern fill. Okay, we want to go to pattern fill, and remember I've told you I don't like any of them, but that's okay. Choose one, doesn't matter which one. Now remember, there's a foreground color. Okay, there's a foreground color, whatever color you want to choose, and there is a background color. So you've always got to remember that there's 2 colors here, and that doesn't look very good. I should have taken a lighter pink. Let me go to more colors. Maybe a pink like this would have been better. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay, so there's our bars with the pattern fill. Now it says add value data labels. All right, so we're going to go to design, and we want to go to data labels, and we want to put them, I'm going to say center, because we're going to rotate them. Or I should say bottom, inside end. No, outside end, inside base. Inside base I'm going to go with. All right, and then we want to go to the labels, so click on the labels, and we want to go here, and no, we got to go here, and alignment, and we want to go and choose rotate them 270. Okay, so there they are, but difficult to read, so we'll have to go to fill and go to a solid fill, and that's just a little bit too dark, but it might work. If I choose a lighter one, it'll work. Okay, so you can't see the height of the bars because of the labels, so I'm going to say to you that you will have to move these. I actually should have said outside end, so let's try that. I'll click off and go to my labels, and I want to go to labels here, and I want to say outside end. Yes. Okay, so outside end, but this one here I'm going to bring back down so that you can see it on the chart because it's running too high. This one's okay. You can see all of these, but I'll bring that one down to put it on the chart just because of the height of it. Unless we brought the chart down here and we made the plot area larger. Then possibly my chart would fit on, but I don't think so. No. So I'm going to leave it there. Now, the other thing I could do, I just thought of, is if we go to rotate, and if I make it just horizontal, okay, and then this one here can come up here and be horizontal. So there's the big one, and the other ones are all vertical. So let's leave it like that. That looks good. And place the data labels. Okay, we've got them. Oh, I said place them right on the bar. Well, we got room here, so I don't think I need to, and I went this way versus putting them on the bar. So you saw that. You can decide which way you want to do yours. Okay, so now it says go to the value axis. So here's our value axis, and it says we want to go to options here, axis options, and it says set the maximum to 12,000, and it is already at 12,000. And set the minimum to 0, and it's at 0. Set the major unit to 1,000. Okay, so right now we're going up by 2,000, so we're going to put in 1,000. And set the minor unit to 500. All right. And anything else in there? Use accounting format with a $sign, which we have, but we want 0 decimal places. So we want to go to number, and we want to say accounting, and we want 0 decimal places. Okay, we've got that. And that's it. And now add your headers and footers. Well, you know how to do that, so I don't need to go into that with you. Although, just a minute, I think I have a feeling I do. Okay, so let's go to File, Print. And we've got 15 pages. Okay, do you see this? And this, and this, and this, and this. That's what I saw. I saw that line. So this one in number 7, I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to say, no, actually I can go, yeah, I'm going to highlight it. And clear all. Okay, clear all. There, I took it off. So now I'll go up to, oh, here, I want to go in here. I'll pick up my Format Painter, and no, I'm touching that. Hold on here. Okay, I'm going to move this picture for the time being. And now, can I copy and paste this? Go Control C and go Control V. There. Okay, so the line should have stopped there. So I can put my picture back here. And now, this will be on one page, unless I can fit it on landscape. I don't know. Let's go take a look. Okay, so go to File, Print. Okay, this fits all in one page. That's good. Oh, I'm on the chart. Okay, let's go back, be on my spreadsheet, and I'm going to size this down a little bit just so that comes in. So let's go to File, and let's go to Print. Okay, so all of this is on one page. That's good. And then when we go to the second page, we should have our chart. Okay, I think we'll leave it like that because we wanted it to be larger. So that's fine. So now that you got that done, go to your page setup and get everything else done that you need to do. All right, we'll stop there. Click on the spreadsheet, save your work, and we're finished.